Many people think of cows as simple farm animals that spend their days eating grass and giving milk. However, cows are much more interesting and emotional than most people realize. They are social animals that enjoy being part of a group. Just like humans, cows can form friendships with others around them. In fact, studies have shown that cows often have best friends. Other cows they like to spend most of their time with. When they are with their best friend, they feel calm and happy. But when they are separated, they can become nervous or stressed. This discovery has changed the way many people think about cows. For a long time, people believed cows did not have strong feelings or complex social lives. They were mostly seen as farm animals used for milk, meat, or labor. But animal behavior scientists have studied cows carefully and found that they are much more emotional and intelligent than they seem. They have memories, personalities, and preferences, meaning they choose who they want to spend time with, just like people do. When researchers observed cows in herds, they noticed that certain cows often stayed close together. These pairs groomed each other, rested side by side, and moved together from one part of the field to another. These behaviors showed signs of friendship and trust. Scientists also measured the cows' heart rates and stress levels to see how they reacted in different situations. They found that when cows were kept near their best friend, their heart rates were lower, meaning they felt calm. When they were separated, their heart rates increased, showing that they were stressed or anxious. The stress cows feel when separated from their friends is similar to what humans or other animals might feel when they are lonely or isolated. Just like people, cows can feel scared or sad when they lose contact with someone they trust. They may moo loudly, walk around restlessly, or stop eating for a while. This reaction shows that cows are capable of forming deep emotional connections and that their social relationships are important to their well-being. Understanding this emotional side of cows is very important for farmers and people who work with animals. When cows are kept in calm, friendly environments, they tend to be healthier and more productive. They eat better, produce more milk, and are easier to handle. But when cows are constantly moved, separated from familiar companions, or kept in crowded spaces where they cannot form social bonds, they can become unhappy and stressed. High stress levels can affect their health and behavior, just like stress affects humans. Some farms have started to use this knowledge to improve the lives of their cows. For example, farmers now try to keep pairs of cows that get along well together. They avoid moving them around too much or separating them unless absolutely necessary. By allowing cows to stay with their friends, farmers notice that their animals are calmer and easier to manage. The cows also show fewer signs of fear when they are milked or handled by people. This is good for both the cows and the farmers because calm animals are safer and healthier to work with. These findings also make people think more deeply about how animals experience emotions. If cows can have friends and feel stress, it means they are sentient beings, creatures that can feel happiness, fear, comfort, and loneliness. This challenges the old idea that farm animals are just simple creatures without feelings. It reminds people that animals deserve kindness, respect, and good living conditions. Even though cows cannot talk, their behavior and body language show that they have feelings that are very real. Children and adults who learn about this often find it heartwarming and surprising. It helps people see cows not just as animals that provide milk or meat, but as living beings with emotions and relationships. Many animal lovers believe that this understanding should inspire people to treat cows more gently and give them better lives. When animals are treated with care and allowed to form natural friendships, it benefits everyone. The animals are happier, and people feel better knowing they are being kind. In simple terms, cows having best friends shows how connected life can be. Whether human or animal, friendship brings comfort and security. It helps reduce fear and makes life more enjoyable. When a cow is with her best friend, she feels safe, just like a person does when they are with someone they trust. When that bond is broken, the feeling of stress or sadness is also very real. Overall, the idea that cows have best friends and become stressed when separated teaches us something powerful about empathy and care. It reminds us that emotions are not only a human experience, they exist across many animal species. By paying attention to the feelings of animals, humans can create a kinder and more understanding world. The next time someone sees cows in a field standing close together or grooming each other, they might realize that they are not just standing there by chance. They could be spending time with their best friend.